Okay, let us start. Week number 9, question number 1. Okay, can see the reference question. Okay, this is isometric view. We are going to draw as per the dimension. I am going to start from this corner. Okay, this is 100, 50, 20, 50. This is 100 minus 30 will gives you 70 likewise. Okay, let us draw that in AutoCAD. Already I set units and limits, basic settings. In addition of that, with that we have to do 3 more settings. First 2D drafting and annotation, first setting. Second one ortho mode F8, and third one ISO drafting mode switched on. It should be switched on. Okay, these 3 settings to be done to draw the isometric view of any object. Okay, now cursor will change like this, and if you take line, automatically it will you can draw the angular lines. Okay, now I started from this point. Okay, or either from this point or this point, any point. This point will start from the top corner, 60, 100 like that will do. Downward 60, enter. This one 100, enter. And I want to draw this side line, or if you want to change the direction of line, you have to press F5 in keyboard. F5 I am pressing. Now you can draw lines in this way. Okay, this side 50, 20, 50, 20 likewise. Okay, now 50, enter. Top, I want to draw top, upper, F5, isoplane. When I am saying isoplane, you understood that I am pressing F5. Okay, 20, this is 50, this is 20. Okay, again take line, enter. The same line command will be taken. I want to draw this side, so isoplane 70. This side, draw lengthier line, and from here you can draw this way, and you can this is 2D appearing as a 3D, but this is 2D. Okay, so that you can go for trim command. Okay, now take line, this side isoplane F5, 50, this side 30. You complete this. Okay, similar, you draw vertical line F5, isoplane. You can draw from here to here line, or you can do copy. Select this line, enter, click from here base point to this point. We are going to copy. This command will gives you reference. Okay, you can copy, use copy command and move command. Okay, offset command will not be work in this mode. Isometric drawing, offset command will not be work. Don't use offset command, you use copy command, move command. Similar way, instead of circle, we are going to use ellipse, axis end. This option we can use. Okay, we should not draw circle in the isometric drawing. Okay, now similar way we will copy this. Copy, select object, enter. From this point we are going to copy this. Okay, easily you can draw. This is to be trimmed. Trim. Major diagram drawn. Now as a circular cut is there. How to draw that? This is elliptical shape. In isometric view, circles will appear as a ellipse, so that we are taking ellipse command. Second option, axis end, this one, and after taking this, it will give options: arc, center, isometric circle. That is the meaning. You select the isometric circle, and it is asking center of the isometric circle. This is the center. Click and drag. It is coming in that plane. So we are going to change the plane. So F5. Again press F5. The circle is changing according to the plane. Okay. Top plane until it is okay now. Now what is the radius of the circle? It is asking isocircle radius. Let us have a look. Its diameter, okay, 30. So radius 15. Okay, now trim the unwanted portions of this circle to complete. And in addition, isometric, you zoom it and draw this edge can be appear. ISO plane F5 and trim vertical line, a small vertical line to be drawn there. Okay, and coming to the rib, you can draw in the middle, center to center one line, and again ISO plane F5. You simply draw one triangular shape in this center. Okay, now what is the width of the thickness of the rib? 10 mm. Okay, so 5. Let us copy this 5 that side, and first you move this side, this triangle, move this side 5 mm. Then let us copy this line to 5 mm that side. Okay, that is the only way. Move 3 lines, whatever you want you can select, because it is asking select object. Okay, enter. After selection you have to press enter. That means okay, I have selected. That is the meaning of pressing enter. Then select this point, base point, ISO plane, this way. Want to move this way, you type ISO plane. Okay, now showing the direction of movement. This direction I want to move. How much distance it is waiting for? 5. It is moved from the center. It is moved. First it is drawn in center and moved 5 mm. Now copy this inclined line alone from this point, that direction 5, not 5, 10, entire thickness of the rib. Okay. Now in isometric view, this edges will appear up to this only. These inside edges will not be appear. So you trim unwanted portions, not appearing hidden edges. You have to trim to make it perfect. Okay. Now the dovetail, coming to this portion, dovetail, this is 30 mm, this is 45 degree. Okay, so this is 20, 30. Let us copy this vertical line to 20. After that 50. From here 20, 50 we will copy. Okay, copy this vertical line for reference. From here, showing the direction, first line 20 and second line from 20 to 30 also you can copy. From here also you can copy 30, whatever it. Okay, done. Now let us copy this line to how much depth of that rib. That is not shown. 10 mm. 10 mm. Okay, depth. This gap is 10. So let us copy the top line or bottom line. Copy this line from here, bottom, F5, 10, half of the overall 20. Okay, now this should be 45 degree. Now at present let us measure this. What is the degree it is showing? 60 degree. Then further 15 degree you have to rotate. Rotate, select object, enter, select this base point. This is the base point, 15. Okay. Similar way, let us trim. Then and there you complete trim command. Okay. Now coming to this, let us measure this angle of the vertical line also with this line. It is 120. It should become 45. So 120 75. This side 75. It will rotate this side. Plus 75. Minus 70. Negative value. It will rotate this side. Okay. Now rotate. Select object. Enter. Base point. About this point we are going to rotate. Minus 75. Minus 75. Okay. Now trim. And in addition we have to draw this one line, one inner edge will appear. You can trim that also. One more edge here. Okay. Now it is finished. Now model. Now how to give the dimension? Isometric view, normal dimension will not work. So you give aligned dimension first. Thereafter we have to align with that edges. Okay. Aligned dimension. Select one, this 20. It will come some angle. Okay. Whatever you want you can provide with aligned dimension. This height, this overall length, angle of this. Okay. And this one, whatever you want you can provide dimension first. One, this from here to here 50. Okay. Now this 10, this 30. Okay. Now how to align with these surfaces? Okay. Straight. That you go for annotate, home to annotate. You open the dimension, second one, oblique. See dimension toolbar, open that, pull down menu, second one, oblique. First one is tolerance, second one oblique. Select the dimension, enter, and you select the edge whatever you want to align with. It will align with that edge. Okay. Similar way I am doing again. Oblique, select dimension, select this, enter. This dimension should be aligned with this edge. Okay. Understand? This dimension, enter. Angle, it will ask angle, while say, instead of giving angle we are catching that edge. Okay. Select this, enter. It is oblique angle it is asking. Instead of giving angle we are selecting this line angle. It will take this line angle and it will align with that. Okay. Oblique, this dimension and this dimension. This dimension let us align with this way. Okay. And we will align with this edge. Okay. Oblique, select this dimension, enter, angle, align with this line angle. Okay. Dimension, letter size, if you want to not visible, you can go for dim style. This is dim style setting. Or D enter, single letter D, D enter. Modify, dim style, text, everything you can set. 5 symbols and arrow at once. All the parameters you can set. Primary units, single digit. Okay, give OK. And text position, you want horizontal. Okay. Okay, text position also you can go for horizontal. In addition, this dimension be not provided. This 1 to 30 and also this one 20. Okay, now oblique, select these two, enter, and whatever you want you can go for the edge. It will take that edge angle and it will align with that. Okay, thank you.